G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Beazos Mobile Cooking. Let's find a spot to pull over and do some cooking. Okay boys, what are we making today?
Sausage rolls, lamb sausage rolls.
Okay,
I made lamb sausage rolls.
And are they any good?
Yeah.
Do you like Dad's homemade sausage rolls?
I'll be making them.
Yeah. Okay, so Ted, why have I got you chopping the onions?
To make some sausage rolls.
Yeah, and also so that Daddy doesn't start crying. You can do the crying, okay?
Okay.
There's Tian's handy onion chopping skills. He's doing a very good job. Having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, today we're going to be using 500 grams of minced lamb. We're using some sensational seasoned stuffing mix with rosemary, marjoram, thyme and sage. A couple of eggs, one to help bind the mixture together and another one for the egg wash. We're going to use some stir-fry oriental vegetables with broccoli, yellow beans, carrots, sugar snap peas, water chestnuts and some red capsicum. Just going to use a little bowl full of those. Onion, white onion and red onion, some spring onion as well, and my selection of special herbs and spices that I like to use. I've got a separate video where I'll show you what my selection is. You can use whatever you like, what you feel like. I'm also going to throw in a little bit of brown onion gravy mix into the mix, and also a little bit of chicken stock powder as well, just to make it a little bit nicer. And we'll just be using some supermarket bought flat puff pastry sheets, and we'll get started from there. Again,
We got white onion.
Next, you're putting in
Red onions.
Put the vegetables in.
mixed Chinese vegetables. Yep, in that now. Put them in. Hold it tight and just give quick bursts.
Got mixed vegetables. Chinese vegetables that have been blended.
Yep.
Put that in the bag. Oh, that's the blade.
Yeah.
In the bag. Lovely. Now, close it up.
Yep.
Mix
So
it
when
up.
we do the bag up, let most of the air out. Otherwise it'd be like playing with a balloon.
Yeah.
Okay? Then
Yeah. Double up.
now we'll put in our lamb. Now you can use any meat, beef, lamb, pork, chicken. We'll just put in some lamb. Okay, get most of the air out.
Yeah. Mix it up.
Now, clean it up.
Knead it through.
Okay, what are you boys doing now?
Mix all the meat, vegetables, and spices all together.
You're making the filling.
Give it a good
Right,
mix.
sausage rolls.
Give it a good mix.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to mix an egg through. Oh, one more thing. Open it up.
Okay. Oh, MSG.
Yeah, yum yum. Cool. Oh, now give that a good mix. Add in one egg. Okay, so open it up. Make sure you get the shot. So in go, we'll put, there's 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs there. We'll do and the best thing is by doing it all in the bag, there's virtually no mess. Okay, so if the bag stands up with the meat in it, we know it's not too wet. If it was too liquidy, the bag would fall over. So that's now a perfect mix to get started. Yet we don't want it too thick, so see how the spoon, we only want it about half a spoon height. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. And about 1 spoon wide and about half a spoon high. Yeah.
Edge.
Right.
It smells good.
Okay, now we get our egg wash. Put the brush over both halves, that way you can prepare both of them at the same time.
Yeah.
Not too much. That's going to glue it all together. Go over, push down, keeping it firm.
Yeah.
Holding it firm together, firm pressure. If we roll it back, the other pins off here. We'll get it in. Okay, so this is the first one. Peel the plastic off. See how that's sealed over?
Yep.
Tidy that up. One.
That's perfect.
Yep, so you can do from there.
Yep.
Pastry, what's the first thing you've got to do?
Cut in half.
Cut it in half, yep.
Just along the middle. So that's around the middle.
Okay.
Perfect.
Now what are you going to do?
Add the meat. So not too big, just a good size. So make sure it's not too full, but not too skinny. Bring it over here. Make sure to get a good size.
The battery if we need it.
Yeah, that's one.
Bag if you need to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're on firm pressure. See how these aren't falling apart? And that egg glue is holding them together.
Put it all
So what's this doing?
making an edible glue.
An edible glue. Good thinking. So a little bit of slice, don't push.
Yeah. Smooth.
Get the other bowl ready too. So wine in your hand. One in this one. Right at the end. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
lovely.
Do the next one.
Yep. Now we've got the whole pastry, you don't have to worry about
Yeah.
crushing much. So just roll that up until it's in good shape. Just roll it up.
Right, now I'm adding the meat into my pastry.
Which will probably turn out better than mine because I'm bad at cooking.
So this is a good way to get the family involved in cooking.
Yeah.
Making it fun. Is it good fun so far?
Yeah, super fun. First time actually making sausage rolls by hand.
Yeah. Wait until you're eating them.
Yeah.
On that first batch I made, you've eaten all of those. So I'm not even going to use that video I made from that one. We'll just use this video.
Yeah. About half a spoon tall and 1 spoon wide. Put a bit more meat on there. Just on the end. Because it's a little bit short. Tiny bit taller. That's plenty.
Here.
A little bit of egg wash. do the same thing that my dad did, using the edge to make it easier.
Not too much also salty.
Ah.
Okay.
So what are you doing, Tron?
Using these in the egg to act as a natural glue for the beagle seasoning or add as a topping.
We passed it right.
Add in 180 degrees for 8 minutes.
Okay.
And then after 8 minutes, we'll turn it over and do the other side.
And bring it over.
Okay, so tins are going in now. Yep. Quickly.
One.
Yep. And it wouldn't be Beazos Mobile Cooking if we didn't also cook in the back of the car. So we've got a direct comparison. We've got 3 different air fryers, one that we normally use in the boat, this one in the car, and one in the house. So we're going to do a nice cook up. So it's exactly the same, 180 degrees, starting for 8 minutes.
We've got our freshly baked sausage rolls.
Okay, we've done in 3 different air fryers, and they all come out just as good. Hey, chopping moment, let's have a look.
Alright.
Oh, look at that.
Nice and flaky.
Nice
Crunchy.
Oh, yum.
Now show them what the inside looks like.
Yeah, I'll pick that up. There you go. I'll show you the camera.
Delicious.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Chung and Tien's homemade lamb sausage rolls. Beautiful.